Here I tell about different types of triangles. What are different types of triangles and what are algebraic problems, geometric problems, everything inside triangle I going to tell. First, all three sides of this triangle are equal. Then this triangle is known as equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, see all sides going to be equal. Here, all sides are equal to 1 units, so it is known as equilateral triangle. Then another type of triangle going to arrive. This is known as isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, here two sides going to be equal and another side will be different. So it is known as isosceles triangle. And another type of triangle where all three sides going to be different is known as scalene triangle. In this triangle, all three sides are different. Here the side length is 1 unit, 2 unit and 3 unit. All different sides. This is known as scalene triangle. And this one I going to tell how to do different problems which can arise us in triangles. These are the first three types of triangles, but another three types of triangles come, that is acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and small angle triangle. See here. Here, if any one of the triangle is right angle, then it is known as right triangle. This triangle where one angle is right angle, so it is known as right triangle. Now, if they take another triangle, sides won't matter much, but one angle is right angle, and obtuse angle triangle means this one of the angle is more than 90 degree. Maybe it is equal to 100 degrees or anything, and other two obviously remain acute angle. It is known as right angle triangle, and this one is known as obtuse angle triangle. This is obtuse angle triangle, and another one triangle, the small type. All three angles going to be this one, the small angles, or this is known as acute angle triangle. This is acute angle triangle, acute triangle. Now I tell how to tell the Pythagorean theorem in triangle. If you take a triangle, you can start to do with Pythagorean theorem. Here they are giving this side length as equal to 1 unit. This is also 1 unit. This is right triangle. You need to find out what is hypotenuse, which is x. Let's square this side, that is 1 square, and square this side again, that is also 1 square, which is equal to square of the hypotenuse. That going to become x square. 1 square means you can write it as 1 times of 1, which remains as 1. And again, this 1 square also 1 times of 1, which is also remaining as 1. And this is hypotenuse, so it becomes x square. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 is equal to x square. When there is a equality symbol, square comes this side, square become root. So it is root 2. X value is root 2. So this hypotenuse value becomes root 2. This is problem about in a right triangle and finding out the hypotenuse. Now I tell any triangle they have given how to find out the area of this triangle. For that random triangle they must give the base length and they must even give the perpendicular height. When they have given both of them, you can find out area of the triangle as half times of base times of perpendicular height. Here they have given half times of, this is the base, they have given this is the base, which is 2 units, times of, this is the perpendicular height, which is 1 unit. When you multiply it, you can divide denominator and numerator. 2 1 times, 2 1 times, below and above you must divide. Then multiply, 1 times of 1 is 1, again 1 times of 1, that remains as 1. 1 square units is the area of this triangle where base and perpendicular height are given. But for the right triangle, equilateral triangle, you can find it out in a different way. They have given equilateral triangle, all sides are equal to 1 units. Here also you need to find out what's the area. Area of equilateral triangle you can find by this formula, that is root 3 by 4 times of a square. A is nothing but the side length, which is just 1 units. Here they have given us 1 unit. So you can write it as root 3 by 4 times of, here this is 1 unit, so it becomes 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1 times of 1, which is 1. So this becomes root 3 by 4 times of 1, that is root 3 by 4 square units. Now you can even find out what is the perimeter of this triangle. Perimeter of the triangle is equal to 3 times of side length. Here perimeter is 3 times of side length, that is 3 times of here the side length, which is 1 units, so it is 3 times of 1. 3 times of 1 is 3, so 3 units is the perimeter of this triangle. I'm going to tell more concepts in next time. Here it becomes night. Bye.